Hi everyone! Welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to update the YouTube app on Android. Keeping your apps updated is important because updates include new features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and security updates. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that you cannot update YouTube directly inside the app. To do this, you need to open the Google Play Store on your Android device. If you can't find it on your home screen, simply swipe up to open your app drawer and use the search bar to type Play Store. Then open it. Once you're inside the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top and type YouTube. Then select the official YouTube app from the results. If an update is available, you will see the Update button. If you already have the latest version installed, you will see the Open button instead. If you see Update, tap on it and wait while the app downloads and installs automatically. Once the process is complete, the button will change to Open, which means your app is now up to date. And that's it. Now you know how to update the YouTube app on your Android device.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.